Everyone from Corralejo, beautiful colors, very windy today. Only some meter more and another nice place. It's not the first time I show you this part of Corralejo, but really is a lovely place, so white and never busy. This is the Waikiki beach. And now I enter in the Oplaco beach. I show you one house. Panorama in front of the Dutch bar of Rene. In front of the sun like this. Wait a moment, because there is something incredible. It's raining. It's raining really. I don't remember when was the last one was raining. You can see something like this 2-3 times every year. Believe me, but I see the persons, the children, with the hand out of the window for touch the rain, like me. Nobody with umbrella. So one beer in a bar, maybe the rain. Stop, but I'm under the rain. I'm totally water. But really, it's not cold. It's not hot too, but it's not cold. For me, there are 21, 20 degrees, no less, because the wind is from the south. I'm like this. Okay, thanks you all for seeing my video, and with this very not too much old photo of Corralejo, I say to the next time. Thanks.